I think it's very difficult to make Indian films, and
Absolutely.
especially the kind of films Anis Saab makes. India, vastly, matter of fact, very less people see films compared to what people watch. Why television is such a watched medium. And matter of fact, those days I was doing only very dramatic films, very serious films.
Yeah.
Right.
And for me to do that kind of film, and that also to do it with David and Govinda, and it was a very bold decision.
Absolutely.
On my part,
Absolutely.
मेरा तो हमेशा ये रहा, घुस जाओ यार, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. I think Govinda and me should do it again.
Yeah, absolutely.
तो कभी-कभी होता ना कि यार नहीं यार किसी और को ले लो ये वगैरह वगैरह, वो कोई और कर ही नहीं सकेगा. मुझे गोविंदा और मुझे ही करना चाहिए. All the films which we have collaborated, somewhere I feel वो सब फिल्म एक तरफ है और ये फिल्म एक तरफ है. इसमें कुछ बात, सब कुछ भी है, एंटरटेनमेंट भी है, पर कुछ ऐसी बात है जो शायद आप लोगों को ऐसा लगेगा नहीं यार कुछ
Definitely.
कुछ फ्रेश. Hi, this is Anil Kapoor.
Hi, this is Anis Bazmi.
And you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Bollywood Hungama.
So I asked you a question at the promo launch as well, and I think maybe it was better that I should have asked that in the interview itself. But I personally feel it's फिर से मैं आपसे पूछूंगा because I think that you are the perfect person to just put this question forth for, because you have done some amazingly serious films as well, like Ishwar and Pukar, जिसके लिए आपको national award मिला था. But at the same time, you've had this wonderful stint as a mainstream hero, be it the Munna characters, the all those Tapori characters that you played that people remember in hugely, like Ram Lakhan and all those things. जैसे मैंने उस दिन मैंने आपसे पूछा था, many times people take the light-hearted entertainers, थोड़ा सा शायद उसको they don't understand that what difference it makes in the lives of people, ordinary people of this country, जिनके लिए entertainment जो है बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. वो बहुत से लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं, I'm sure that you know many people जिनकी daily wages होते हैं, अपनी salary बचा के सिर्फ picture देखने के लिए जाते हैं. उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कोई भी entertaining film देखना, and when they just go and watch, they forget all their worries and their tribulations. So from that context, आप कुछ उसके बारे में आप बताना चाहेंगे that how important it is that to remember those people and what a difference you are making in their lives by your entertainment.
I think they are the most important people.
जी.
And especially when you're making Indian films.
Absolutely.
Indian films I think it's very difficult to make Indian films.
Absolutely.
And especially the kind of films Anis Saab makes.
Right.
Which is like, for example, all the films which he has made, which he has written also. Like Aankhein, Ladla, Deewana Mastana, Bol Radha Bol, and the films which he has directed, like Singh is King, Ready, No Entry, Welcome, all the films which he has done, it has catered to everybody.
Absolutely.
And especially the demographic you're talking about.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And India, vastly, matter of fact, very less people see films compared to what people watch. Why television is such a watched medium? Somewhere I feel because it's catering to the majority of the people in our country. So to make a film where people have to spend money to come and see those films, you need a different kind of mindset.
Absolutely.
Hard work, commitment, and especially comedy. Comedy is a very, very serious business.
Absolutely.
It's too much of hard work, and as Anis Saab said, that you need a certain kind of एक दीवानापन, एक innocence, एक अपने आप पर मजाक उड़ाना, ज़्यादा making fun of yourself,
right?
To make people that you're making fun of yourself, and not taking yourself too seriously, but
absolutely
actually you're very, very serious. Like he says, okay, the best comedy scenes he has written when he is in really a foul mood and really sad or upset or anything, and he's written the best comedy scene. Right. So it is a very, very serious business. Absolutely. And I agree with you. For us, even in Mubaraka, to a certain extent, it's that audience which I feel when they see the film and we can get a smile on their faces, if I can make them happy, I think it will be really, really, we'll feel fulfilled कि हमारा जो हमने मेहनत की है वो हमारी मेहनत कामयाब हुई.
बिल्कुल. Even I think Deewana Mastana, the writing was hilarious in that bantering was simply hilarious actually.
No, उसका पहला 20 मिनट ही पिक्चर का जो था, तो पहला 20 मिनट जो मेरा और वो जॉनी के जो सीन्स थे, क्या लिखे थे और क्या थे उसके, पूरा जो उसका इंट्रोडक्शन एंड टिल टुडे मेरे जो गोविंदा के साथ जो सारे
झगड़ा भी होता है,
फैंटास्टिक एब्सोल्युटली. सो It's a matter of fact, I think it should be made again.
Yeah,
I think it should be.
It's a kind of a film,
it's a
and I think
beautiful
Govinda and me should do it again.
Yeah, absolutely.
तो कभी-कभी होता ना कि यार नहीं यार किसी और को ले लो ये वगैरह वगैरह, वो कोई और कर ही नहीं सकेगा, मुझे गोविंदा और मुझे ही करना चाहिए. If ever, because you know I feel those characters वो हमको इतने सूट हुए, and definitely to get both of us to do in a film, it's very tricky in a comedy film.
Absolutely.
You know, and matter of fact, those days I was doing only very dramatic films, very serious films.
Yeah.
Right.
And for me to do that kind of film, and that also to do it with David and Govinda, and you know, it was a very bold decision.
Absolutely.
You know,
Absolutely.
मेरा तो हमेशा ये रहा घुस जाओ यार जो होगा देखा जाएगा. क्या होगा यार?
It was a very funny.
You understand me?
Yeah.
I said till I don't enter unknown territory, till I don't enter where there is fear, there is there is a certain time here, then only you do your best.
Right, absolutely.
And I think that was one of the reasons that, and then Johnny Lever, yeah.
Johnny Lever was outstanding.
Doing scenes with Johnny
Outstanding.
Lever, आप दूसरों के कलाकार की बात करें, जॉनी लीवर जैसा फनकार कहाँ है?
बिल्कुल सही बात.
कहाँ है सर? उसकी जो टाइमिंग है, उसकी जो नॉलेज है, उसकी जो कॉमेडी की सेंस है, इट्स अनबिलीवेबल. तो उनके साथ टिके रहना is not a joke.
No, absolutely. And till the last moment, you keep on just figuring out that Juhi Chawla, who's she going to be? Just
No, Juhi
Chawla. But the climax, it was so hilarious.
Even in comedy, Juhi.
She's
something very special about her.
Absolutely.
मुझे लगता है कि हम दोनों के बीच में और हम सबके और सलमान भी था उस फिल्म में.
वो एंड का सीन कमाल था.
कादर भाई
तुम लोग कौन हो? दोस्त. हाँ मैं नहीं देता दोस्त.
ये सब इन लोगों के साथ it was just a good mix. So coming to Mubarak Khan, I feel somewhere all the films which we have collaborated, somewhere I feel वो सब फिल्म एक तरफ है और ये फिल्म एक तरफ है. इसमें कुछ बात सब कुछ भी है, एंटरटेनमेंट भी है, पर कुछ ऐसी बात है जो शायद आप लोगों को ऐसा लगेगा नहीं यार कुछ
Definitely.
कुछ फ्रेश.
Definitely.
There is a freshness to it. There is a youth connect to this film.
Absolutely.